बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous class we learned the first two laws of exponents. We learned the product law and quotient law. Our today's topic is exercise 4.4 and in this exercise we learn power law. To understand what is power law, let us consider the following example. Here we have a number 3 with double powers 4 and 2. Two powers are given to us. Now, according to power law, these powers will be multiplied with each other. 4 will multiply with 2. 4 multiply by 2, we get what? 8. This is what power law. According to power law, if we have double powers, then these powers will be multiplied with each other. 4 will multiply with 2 and we get 4 multiplied by 2 and we get 8 over here. Similarly, consider the next example, minus 1 by 2 and again double powers are given to us, 7 and 2. So according to power law, 7 will multiply with 2, 7 2s are 14 and this is our answer. Now what is zero exponent? Any non-zero rational number with zero exponent is equal to 1. Means whatever the number we have, if its exponent is 0, answer comes 1. Whether students we have here 100 power 0 or 1000 power 0, whatever the number is here we have instead of a, its powers, if its power is 0, answers comes 1. Now what is negative exponent? Look at the pattern given below. 10 power 2 means 10 is going to be multiplied 2 times. 10 multiplied by 10. Now if we have 10 power 1 means 10 is only once. Now if we have 10 power 0 means answer is 1 because 0 exponents gives us 1. Now if we have 10 power minus 1, then students we will convert this negative exponent in positive exponent. How? We will simply take reciprocal of 10. Now what is the reciprocal of 10? 1 by 10. Yes, and negative minus 1 will become plus 1. There is no need to write plus 1 because we know if there is no power means plus 1 is there. Now 10 power minus 2, again negative exponent is there. Now how we convert this negative exponent in positive 1? We simply take the reciprocal of base. Since base is 10, and what is the reciprocal of 10? 1 by 10. Since power is 2, so we will multiply 10 twice. 1 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 10 and we get 1 by 10 power 2 because 10 is multiplied twice. So we will take reciprocal of 10, that is 1 by 10. Now 10 power minus 3, how we will convert this negative exponent is positive exponent? Simply take reciprocal of 10, that is 1 by 10 power 3. Similarly 10 power minus m, 1 by 10 power m, we convert the negative exponent into the positive exponent by taking reciprocal of our base. Similarly, if we have 2 by 3 power minus 5. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. And when we take the reciprocal 3 by 2, the power automatically converts in positive 1. Power of an integer. Consider the following examples. Minus 2 is an integer and its power is 2. Here we have what? We have even power over here. So means we will multiply minus 2 twice. Minus sign will multiply with minus sign, we get positive 4. Now minus 2 power 3 means we have odd power over here. When we have odd power, answers comes minus 8 because first minus sign will multiply this with minus sign, minus minus plus, and that plus will multiply with minus, we get negative 8. Now here again we have even power. Again we have even power over here, means minus 2 will multiply 4 times. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, and answers comes positive. Now here we have odd power. So when we multiply these numbers 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. answers comes negative. Means whenever we have even power, here we have even power, here we have even power. Whenever we have even powers, answers comes positive. But when we have odd powers, answers comes negative. Means negative number. Minus 2 is a negative number with odd exponent gives negative result. Minus a power n is positive if n is even, and minus a power n is negative if n is odd. Here a is any rational number. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever it may be, any. Now let's start exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Express following as single exponents. In part number 1 we have double exponents. Two exponents are given to us and question is express these double exponents in the single one. Now how we will use power law over here? We repeat the question. Now 3 will multiply with 5 according to power law. Double powers will always be multiplied with each other. 3 will multiply with 5 and we get to power 15. This is our answer. Now see part number 8, 2 by 9. A fraction is given over here, 2 by 9 power 3 and again 6. Means double powers are given to us. So according to power law, these powers will be multiplied with each other. 3 will multiply with 6. 3 multiplied by 6 is what? 18. And simply this is our answer. Now question number 2 is change the following negative exponent into positive exponent. In part number 1, of course, negative exponent is given to us. And students, as I told you, how to convert negative exponent, simply take reciprocal of 12. Now what is the reciprocal of 12? 1 by 12. If you take reciprocal of 12, the power automatically changes in its sign. So we will take reciprocal of 12, that is 1 by 12, and minus 3 will be changed in plus 3. Always take reciprocal of your base and you have to change the sign of power. Now students, here we have minus 1 by 10 power minus 9. Again negative exponent is given to us and we have to convert negative exponent into positive one. How? We will take reciprocal of minus 1 by 10. In reciprocal, you know very well, numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So simply change it. We will get 10 by 1. We take reciprocal of 1 by 10, that is 10 by 1. By taking reciprocal, their negative exponent becomes positive 1. Here we don't change the sign of base, we simply change the sign of exponent. And since 10 by 1 is 10, so we can write 10 by 1 as simply 10 with positive 9. Now part number 6 is x by y power minus b. Again question is convert the negative exponent into positive exponent. Simply take reciprocal of x by y. Now what is the reciprocal of x by y? Y by x. Yes, we simply invert the base. We will get y by x and negative exponent is converted in positive exponent. Now students, you are able to do question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.1. Solve these two questions in your NEET register. Jazakallah.